Good evening. It's January something, January 21, 2025. I'm going to go all in on Bitcoin because I'm going to try a little gamble. So as soon as this gets me a pullback down here, so around here, I'm going all in 2 Bitcoins. I got $722 in a demo account. I want to do an experiment. What's taking so long there? Oh yeah, buddy. Because, I lost all day. My strategy was 130 pips away, which was at 0.01 pips, about $20, which is half an hour work. And I put that away. 130 pips from whether I'm buying or selling. And then as soon as it moved in my direction, I would put it to zero. And then sometimes I'd make $50. And sometimes I'd make $100. But most times I'd lose like the $20. So it's not good. As you can see, we're going to try and we got a downward trend here. Kind of a little bit broken the trend here. So you can't really trust it. You can never trust anything. It's completely random. My thoughts are let her climb. Probably gonna climb to around here. Then drop. So yeah, I'm so freaking smart. I think, oh, it's gonna go up here. Why don't I just buy in now? Because I think it's gonna go to here. There's no reason why you would think that. It's already broken the trend, but it's really just giving her. I just came from an AA meeting, vented about day trading and how it really messing with my mental health. I'm not really digging it. Today's the first day I'm not putting any money in. I'm losing peanuts, but peanuts add up. And so I'm going to do a demo account until I get to $10,000 with the demo account. Start with $1,000. You know what I mean? I'm going to do a demo account anyways for a year because once I get to $10,000, I'll probably just lose that. What I'm going to do right now is completely insane because it's fun. And I'm going to test my theory. I got no stop loss. I'm doing a quick trade with C Trader. I'm using FP Markets. They're out of Australia. Canada doesn't let you have a, Alberta in particular won't let you have a Forex trading account unless you make over 200 grand a year. I basically make that, but can't prove it. So, see, if it gets down to, let's say, around, I don't want to buy now. It's still thinking about going up. This is just gonna be a whole new trend, and this is a pullback. What the heck? Why isn't this working? I want to get down around here. Maybe around there I can live with. See, I told you. The pullback, it still wants to go to here. This is my theory. And then it's going to come smashing down. Probably come up to here for crying out loud. But really I should just buy now that we had the drop because I think it's going to go up. You know what? Trust your gut. Well, we're actually at this point of resistance here that we've already broke through. You see that? It's like a point there. Yeah, so Alberta doesn't let you do, like I have a side business selling key tags and whatnot with a friend. Doesn't really make much money. and then I work as a carpenter, make like $40-50 an hour. And I had a job last year that was like 250 grand a year. I was superintendent on a job. Lost that job because of stupid stuff. So I tried to prove that I make more than 200 grand a year, and they didn't buy it. They wanted like, what do you call that? T4s. They wanted pay stubs that showed over 200 grand. So basically, only the rich get to day trade, and I guess it's because people like me come in here and lose their rent, like I did. So, theory of a dead man, I figure I'll just day trade on demo until I learn more. I watch YouTube videos a lot. Trading psychology seems to be huge, even though some people say it's nothing, but I think for me it's a big deal. So I screw up due to my fears, due to my greed. For example, I'm about to revenge trade because I lost all day. Broke my rule today. I'm supposed to only bet 1%, and I was betting like 10%. So, trading, investing, that's what I should say. I understand if you say betting, you're just gearing your mind towards gambling. I'm still pretty much stuck at this, what do you call this? Resistance level. We're at a downward trend here, so this takes off. I believe it's going to take off probably 200 pips. So yeah, I went to an AA meeting. I talked about how trading makes me feel like I can become somebody, like I will be somebody, like people will respect me, like people will admire me, like people will look up to me, like people will bow before me, that I will be a king, that I have arrived. This idea that I have arrived. I've been seeking it my whole life. We seek it. Most men seek above all else status. We seek a girl to make us look good. We want to prove to the world that we're status symbols. We're to be respected. We're to be admired. We're game changers. We're difference makers. We're builders of the empire. You know, legacy. We seek legacy. We want to invoke change and create a new world. You know, and as a young man, it's a lot easier to do because there's something in it about the arrogance of a young man. Fully driven, 100% confident. You know, no barriers, no anything holding him down, no bills to pay, no axes to grind, just giver, right? I'm 43 or something. Wife and kid, and ex-wife and kid, and 5 dogs. I got 1 pit bull and 4 chihuahuas because I thought breeding chihuahuas would be the answer. Breeding chihuahuas would make it so I didn't have to swing a hammer anymore. Unfortunately, that's a whole nother pitfall. You know, thought about opening businesses and doing rental properties, and I destroyed my credit. I'm a typical retail trader who wants out of the bump and grind. You know, live in Canada. Taxes are super high. Freedom of speech is super low. Is this thing ever gonna drop? Like, frick, how long are we gonna do this trade for? Buying 2 bitcoins with a $700 account. That's part of it. Waiting. See, my theory is about to come true. If it breaks past that, though, I'm like gonna. Well, really, if it breaks past this point here, then for sure it's going up. Probably go up to there. I watch this chart a lot. That's like, there's all these courses and people trying to teach you about supply and demand, resistance and support levels, head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders, all this strange ideas, like head and shoulders here. See, it's on a downward trend. So you would think that it was going to go down here, but it went up. People lost money on that. People all thought that was going down right here, and they actually prefer this app on my phone because you can make the candles look taller. So yeah, I've seen a video where this setup here, you would sell right here. After your second candle, you get confirmation, definitely going down. Nope. All right, go down. So all these things they teach are just total nonsense. This is a totally random. Here we go. Let's go. Totally random event. Now I'm approaching it with this idea of supreme defense. Get in, get out. I still haven't tried doing any long-term trades like on the 4-hour chart. Although this account, I did just for fun one time go through and do a whole bunch of trades just with the trend, and on the 1 week, on the 1 day, on the 12-hour, on the 4-hour, and it went all the way down. And every time I just lowered my buy-in and made $500, which is 50% of that account, this account that I'm on now. And then my current strategy, I'm down from that 1500 to 722. So you know what? If that worked, I should try it again. It was completely random. I did it in about 15 minutes, so that's the problem. But I should replicate it. See if it works. If it worked once, if it works twice, if it works 5 times, well, then I gotta do it until it stops working. And I did it with zero motion, zero buy-in on it. It's a really slow market right now. What time is it? Singapore, Tokyo time. Sydney, Tokyo, Singapore. And this thing was just hopping at New York time. See, the problem is, as soon as I throw in, this thing's gonna frickin' lose it on me. But I realize this video can only last so long. So, we really have so much to talk about. And look at the spread. See, it's not even moving enough for me to make any money with this spread. Here we go. It's taking off. It's going to go to here. It breaks that out. So, it's not breaking it. Oh, broke it. Okay, give me a candle. Give me a red candle. A complete red candle. At this point, if I get, they say 2 candles. Jeez. What do we got? 1 red, 2 greens. 1 red, 1 green. 1 red, 1. Just up and down and up and down. Like, I wonder what kind of people are. Let's watch it. What do I want to make here? I got 2 Bitcoins in here. I'd like to get to there. Let's check it out. $500 to get to there. I don't like stop losses because the brokers watch your stop losses and they just blow your account. It's called a conspiracy, but look at this. It's crazy when you bet big on small moves. And especially like I have $722. Like I'm gonna get margin calls here right away. See, I have anxiety. There's this guy Randy Howell. He talks about monitoring your body, and I've been through what the heck, somatic experiencing training, which is like for PTSD. Look at it, it's going, and they get you to follow your body. Okay, I'm out. $100. Boom, just made $100. Could have made more, but I've learned that when I wait, it just comes back. That's the end of the video. $100 trade, just like that. Thanks for watching. Peace. God bless you.